So as you can see, our file is optimized, and I felt that because of my font files, I was facing some errors. I can show you this. If I reload, see, it's taking a lot more time because these two files are pending. So what I did was I just added HTTPS reload. Perfect. And I'm also deleting some unused images which are not used. Timer menu. Only these three images are in use. These CSS images, these two JS files, and these web fonts for font awesome, and the HTML file obviously. So we'll clean this HTML file much more further. We'll make more space, and we'll add some placeholders and all, and we will integrate into our mashup. To make some space, let's first understand the structure. So it has a wrapper, navigation, and content. So in content, we have one more navigation, top navigation, which is obviously taking a lot more padding or margin down. So I'll reduce the margin bottom from 1.5 to 1. Okay, so this is nice. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Fine. This is liquid fluid, which has two charts, two tabs. This is the outer fluid. Okay, I'll just take this out and see how it looks. Okay, so here I can add a map here. This map, I can add it here. I can add some KPIs to it, KPI values from here, these three KPIs here, and this container pie chart. So I have three pie charts here. So I have margin, sales versus budget. So let's okay. So I'll add a line chart saying margin, or I'll add this table there. This is something which covers everything. So I'll add this table here. Instead of pie, I have my country-wise graph or map here, a bar chart. So we'll divide this into two, like this into two, and we can add these two there, revenue by product group and revenue by product group. Okay, and the budget also sorted by budget. We can add those two, and in the end over here we can add this pivot table, and perfect, and we don't need the rest. Okay, so let's make some space and we'll get rid of all the things. It says pie chart. Okay, so what I'll do is pie chart. Okay, and projection all a row where and here. Fine. Okay, so I have a simple graph here. I'll copy this I'll paste it again. I'll say graph 1 and graph 2. Refresh. Now I have graph 1 and graph 2. So same goes with these two also. Instead of stats, let's say I need two charts. Graph, chart, and graph. Okay. This is weird. Fine. We'll sort that out. Okay. Fresh. Okay. Okay, it's coming. And I'll inspect it to make my life easy. Okay. So let's say 15. 16. I'll copy this, I'll paste it here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. More space for this bar chart. I don't need this. Oh, actually I think I need it. So it has 2, 3. So I can add 3 high there. Okay, I can add 3 pi. So I'll move it up. So I'll clean it first. So it has multi-range calendar. So I'll first search this. Perfect. Multi-range calendar. Then it has a profile. So actually I need this. I don't need the profile, I don't need the browser stats. Perfect. Fresh. Okay. Okay then, one more thing needs to be added. So I'll add margin 5 pixels. And this will look a little neat. Okay. Later on I'll make some class and I'll add it there. See? Perfect. Now I need to get rid of this and make some more space. So what I can do is for my pie charts, I can move this up, which is 3 grids. Oh, sorry. I can cut this. It's a scarf 1 and over here. Refresh. Perfect. My 3 pies followed by 3 pi followed by, let's say, 3 KPIs also. I'll copy this again. 3 KPI. So I'll rename it to, keep track. So first I want the KPI, then the pi, followed by 3 KPI, 3 pi, 3 KPI, 3 pi, followed by my sales by state. So graph 1, I'm just copying, cutting and pasting it, readjusting all the HTMLs together, state, then my table there, or I can just add these two, then my table and then the pivot. So these 2 bars, I'll just get rid of those projects and all. Oops, sorry. Perfect. See, followed by 2 bar, 1 pivot, and I have some more. Yeah, so I'll add some charts to it, but I think this is distorted a little. Margin bottom, 16 pixels. I'll add to graph true. Perfect. This is how it should look. I'll just remove this countdown timer. I don't need this. 2018, I'll say received defined by 3 layouts. I'll keep that. Refresh. Okay, perfect. So I have 3 KPIs, pie charts. Then I'll change this to map, and then to bar, then the pivot, map, bar, pivot, map, bar, pivot, and let's add her. Now we can add this also. Okay. Fine. Three map. And we are done. So I'll just clean this also. I just don't need these for now. Perfect. So this is how my layout looks. And now in the next session, we are going to add it. Okay. While this is like this, let's check. It says profile background with menu bar. Fine. I'll just get rid of that, and this looks nice. I'll say profile background. Go here. For now, style, display, none. Perfect. So in the next tutorial, we are going to add it to a mashup. Thank you.